Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price opened down there and then where it eventually closed way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a nice bounce today. However, that does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, aka a dead cat bounce, a fake bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, what is that? 92 cents. Why is 92 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, so a bounce that's actually a bounce, is going to keep on bouncing. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 92 cents. If the price were to come down there and break below it and then separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would be starting to put the price right back into this area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and then repeats history. What do I mean by repeats history? Well, there was a bunch of times earlier today where the bears tried to press down through there and couldn't quite do it. So let's say that happens again, but once again, 92 cents holds strong and then the price starts to work its way back up. What would you have in this instance here? Well, you'd have a big base of lows right there. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a true bounce is going to do. It's going to keep on bouncing. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, progress forward as 92 cents. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority by far is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just building higher bases and going through healthy consolidations, because as long as higher bases are being built, all the other pieces will fall into place, and some of those pieces include breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.